So how is your tongue?
It's good.
Joanne Shimakawa has MS. She used to be okay transferring to the dentist chair.
After 3 years and a little bit of progression, I just don't want to take a chance standing up anymore. I prefer to be able to stay in my wheelchair.
So she started looking for a dentist in Toronto who could treat her in her chair.
Basically took every dentist in the West End and called them one after another. And this office said, yes, of course we take people in wheelchairs. But it's the only place that I found who would accept.
The Canadian Society for Disability and Oral Health says it's an issue that needs urgent attention. Clinics are often inaccessible, and dental professionals rarely have experience treating patients with disabilities.
We want to get people so they can speak and smile, have good self-esteem, they can chew their food and not have stomach problems.
His organization has written to the federal health minister saying too many patients with disabilities don't have access to regular preventative care.
They touch and we talk.
Dr. Salome specializes in patients with disabilities.
So many colleagues told me, why you're doing this? You should quit and dedicate your profession to doing implants or doing regular care. You're going to make more money. And also, every time I was trying to find a training or a course or something, there was all outside Canada.
McGill University's dental school does run clinics for some kids and adults with disabilities, but the dean says education is a major barrier.
Until we have trained dentists, we cannot really totally address the needs.
The Canadian Dental Association admits there are gaps in care. They hope the government's new $250 million Oral Health Access Fund will help address that. As for Health Minister Jean-Yves Duclos, he says he'll carefully consider all feedback while the new dental plan is being developed.
Yeah, we need to change these feelings.
Joanne Shimakawa just wishes it wasn't so hard to get reliable care.
I think for anybody who cares a lot about their teeth, it's really important that you have access to get your teeth taken care of.
Bethany Lindsay, CBC News, Vancouver.